Go through the tunnel. Go all the way. Go. Go. Go, buddy. Go.
Hold on, Mommy. I'm hold on.
Okay, hang on. Mommy's taping Popo. Yay, Popo!
I'm hold on.
Okay, hold on. Okay, Popo, do it again. Porter. Porter. Go again. Go. Do it again, buddy. Go again, buddy. Yay, Porter! Most anxious dog in the world, but for some reason, he goes all the way through the tunnel just like the girls. What do you think about that, Bee? Sissy? Does Popo do the tunnel?
Yeah.
We say, yay, Popo?
Yay, Papa.
Yay, Popo. What are you eating? And what else? What? Blueberries. Popo, you want to go in the tunnel again? Go, Porter. Go. 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 Go, buddy. Go. Oh, hi. Go, buddy. Go. Go, Porter. Go. Go. All the way, buddy. All the way. Go. Oh. Go. Go down. Go in the tunnel. Go. You can come this way. Come on. Porter. You like doing that, huh, bud?